So hello everyone, good morning. I hope you're having a good day. If not, by the end of this video, your day should get a little bit better at least. So I'm here at a waterfall and its name is Attukad Waterfalls or Attukad Waterfalls. I'll definitely put it in the description. I'll put the name in the video as well. So this place is one of the most famous places in Munnar. So this is one of the biggest waterfalls in Munnar. It's very big, and as soon as I came here I was so excited to see. I've never seen such a big waterfall in my life. It's amazing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm sorry, there's a lot of noise, the water gushing. Look at the force. The water is literally spraying all over me. There's a bridge. They have built a bridge. Earlier, this bridge used to be a wooden one. So thanks to the government, they have built a concrete one. It's a big waterfall. So this waterfall is like 25 kilometers away from the actual Munnar, but it's worth it. You can hire a bike, you can take a cab, come here. This place is famous for, of course, the view, and you could trek this jungle around and go up. To show you, because of this big rock, the water gushes on both sides. And look at the pressure of water here. It's amazing how water makes its own way, and it goes down all the way here. So I drove all the way up from up there, up down here, and it was a great view. I will definitely put that video in the, I'll definitely add that video. This waterfall definitely looks much better from a far distance because you get an aerial view of that place, of waterfalls. About this waterfall, it's in between of a dense jungle. As you can see, it's just dense jungle. There are very less properties here, just some tea gardens, just dense jungle, dense forest, and in between of that, this beautiful waterfall. So I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you're here in Munnar and you're looking for a destination to visit, this is a place. This is very nice, very beautiful. You can come here, relax. You're not allowed to go beyond this bridge down there. That's why they have this fence. But you could trek there and have another viewpoint. And there's a hotel here, which seems to be an awesome place to stay because you get the direct view of waterfall. So while driving down, I did see there's certain spots where you can see this waterfall from a far distance and you get a better view. I'll definitely add that video in this video so that you can see how beautiful this waterfall looks from a far distance or an aerial view. So I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, definitely like, subscribe, and let me know if there's any place you want me to visit in Munnar. Everyone, I'm here at Valanjanganam Waterfalls. It's a very good waterfall. If you are here in this location, I would suggest you to come here and definitely visit this place. It's on the road itself. There's no trekking involved, and the amount of water falling is in sheer volume because it's rainy season right now. There's a wee waterfall here too. Flows down all the way down. You're not allowed to go in there, but I believe you can have a wee swim there or take a shower standing there. So hello everyone, I'm here at Vagmon Falls. It's also known as, hold on a second, it's very difficult to pronounce. It's also known as Palozhukum Falls. I believe that's what it is famous as in here. It's also called Vagamon Falls. It's a very beautiful bike ride here towards this location. As you can see, it's not a single soul around here. It's very beautiful, and the waterfall is a very big one, and it's to the opposite of the road that you are right now, that you can stand. There is no direct access to that waterfall. This is the closest you can get to this waterfall, and trust me, it is a beautiful, beautiful waterfall. The camera is not even doing the justice. I will definitely add some cinematic shots of that waterfall with my zoom camera. I have zoomed in a bit. I hope you'll enjoy it. The waterfall looks phenomenal. It's definitely worth traveling all the way here. So if you're here in Vagmon, I definitely do suggest you come and visit this place. So that is it. Vagmon ends here. I have visited all the beautiful places I could in Vagmon. I have visited all the places that I could find, online and offline itineraries, asking around people, checking through online itineraries. This is the best I could find. Vagmon in general is absolutely beautiful. A lot of nature. If you're a nature lover, definitely do come and visit here. It's a hill station with beautiful waterfalls, beautiful mist. It starts to like getting misty and foggy all the way starting from 2:30 p.m. afternoon. At 5 o'clock afternoon, all the shops close by. Everybody goes back home. The day ends, or let's say the night ends at 5 p.m. here, which is not the case in a lot of cities out there, is it? So a lot of cities out there, people go back to their home after work and they sleep at around 10 p.m. or let's say 1 a.m. But in here, people go back to sleep. People go to their house and they go back to sleep early. They wake up early. It's a different life here. Definitely like, subscribe, and I hope next time you're here in Vagmon, you'll go and visit this awesome waterfall. So that is it, guys. I hope you're doing good. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care.